Everybody, welcome. My name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can cancel your free trial in Netflix. So you are in your home, and what you want to do is just go up right corner, and then you will have here account. Click on it, and then you will have here account and membership billing. What you want to do is to click here on the cancel membership, and then are you done watching? If you're sure you'd like to cancel your membership, finish below. All you want to do is click finish cancellation. I don't want to, of course, cancel my account, but you know how it goes, you know how it works. Or you can stick around and switch to our basic plan for just $7.99 per month. So you can also downgrade your plan if you like to do that. So if you're done watching, finish cancellation and you're good to go, and you won't be charged any money from Netflix. But what I recommend, do it like really fast, so when you have like the 3 days before that. So thank you, have a great day, and see ya.